Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can change the theme of our PyCharm IDE. So herein you can see your theme is visible, light theme. How we can change it? Go to File, click on Settings. On reaching Settings you can see Appearance and Behavior is visible. Click on Appearance. Now reaching Appearance, you can see we are using light theme. If you want a theme, let's say with high contrast, click on here. That would be a dark theme and just click on apply and then OK. Now you can see a theme with high contrast is visible. Go to File again. If you want to change it, Settings. Let's say I'll set it to the following. This is far better. Click on apply, then OK. And you can see the dark theme is visible here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the theme on our PyCharm IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.